Dale! I'm going to try to stay away from down there because they got tunes going on and I don't want to put music to this. I just want to get some live feel to it. Right? POV kind of video, so to speak. Oh, look at this Plymouth. Pretty nice. Oh, some nice stingers. Right? Let's keep walking, talking over the music. Hopefully it won't be picked up. It's just like mine. Only not a 5 liter. It's exactly like mine. It's nice. It's really nice too. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but it's my first video on this process, so we'll see. Oh, it's like my old girl. Let's do this roll and go from there. Stingers, nice. Yeah, that's not bad. I'm okay with vets. Nice is at 28. Pretty awesome. Yeah, I'm just taking some video of them rolling out of here. Oh.